This problem ix. Integration x. X here in front of x is 1, no number. And square root meaning half. And x is power 1. So increase power 1. Half plus 1 is 3 over 2. Divide by new power. And x here, no number in front of x. So we can divide the line. Do you remember the last example? Here is 3x divided by 3. Here not, it's x only, not divided by anyone, only the power. So x plus 1 total power half integration 8 is x plus 5 total power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 only. Another example. Fourth root meaning total power 1 over 4. So the problem is 2x plus 3 power 1 over 4. Increase 1. So 1 over 4 plus 1 is 5 over 4. Divided by new power 5 over 4. What is in front of x? 2. We have 2. So we have to divide also by 2. So the total result is 2x plus 3 total 5 over 4 divided by 5 over 4 times 2 is the total result. Set of example number 3 about exponential a power x, constant power x. First one, remember, integration constant power x is equal constant power x over ln constant. Here, integration 4 power x is the same 4 power x divided by ln the constant ln 4, constant ln 4 plus c. Integration 2 power x plus 1 over c times 8 power x. Distribute the integration. First, integration 2 power x is the same 2 power x divided by ln 2, 2 power x by ln 2 plus 1 over c is divide 1 over c times 8 power x is 8 power x divided by ln 8 plus c. If I know rule good, no problem. Triple I. X power 4 plus c over 5 total power x. Distribute the integration. X power 4 is x power 5 over 5 plus c over 5 constant power x is the same c power 5 power x divided by ln 3 over 5. Divided by ln constant here is 3 over 5 plus c. Integration 2 plus 3 power x 1 by 1. Integration 2 is 2x. 3 power x is 3 power x divided by ln 3. 3 power x divided by ln 3 plus the constant. Number B. 4x power 4 minus 4 power x dx. Distribute the integration. 4x power 4 is equal. 4 is the same. X power 4 is x power 5 over 5 here minus constant power x 4 power x. So 4 power x divided by ln 4. 4 power x divided by 4 plus c. Vi. Integration 3 power x plus 2 over 4 power x is a good problem. 3 power x plus 2, what's that meaning? Is equal 3 power x times 3 power 2. 3 power x times 3 power 2. And then what's the same? 3 power 2 equal 3 times 3 is 9. 9. Put it outside integration is 9. So we want to integrate 3 power x over 4 power x dx. 3 power x over 4 power x, the power is the same. So with the base is 3 over 4 total power x. So the integration will be 9 integration 3 over 4 total power x. 9 is the same. Constant is 3 over 4. Constant power x. So the constant 3 power 4 over x divided by ln constant. Ln constant, ln 3 over 4. So the final result is 9 times 3 over 4 power x over then 3 over 4. We solve a lot of examples, many examples to make sure you are know the rule very good, and the rule not fixed in your mind except you will solve it again. Another example, so number 1, integration x power 3 dx is equal x power 4 over 4 increase 1 c plus x 4 over 4 plus dx plus c. Number 2, integration root x dx, root meaning x power half, so increase half plus 1 x power c over 2 over c over 2, half meaning 0.5, c over 2 meaning 1.5, the same, put in decimal or fraction, no problem. Integration 6 x power 3, 6 is the same, x power 3 increase 1 x power 4 over 4, so x power 4 over 4 plus c. Make simplification, c x power 4 over 2 plus c. Integration cosine x plus x dx, now it's number 4, integration cosine x plus x dx, still with the integration. Integration cosine x is sine x. Integration of x is x power 2 over 2 plus c. Number 5, integration e power w minus 3 dw, so change the variable, instead of write x we write w, so the variable may be x, y, z and so on. So e power w minus 3 dw, integration e power w first, e power w, e exponential is the same, e power w minus 3, so minus 3, see what? 3w, not 3x, 3w, because here the variable is w. Continue our solved example. Integration 8z plus 4z power 2 minus 6z power 2, no, 4z power 3 minus 6z power 2 dz. Integrate term by term. 8z integrate is 8z power 2 over 2. 4z power 3 is 4z power 4 over 4 minus 6z power 2, so 6z power 3 over 3 plus c. Take care, we speak our variable here is z, not x. Simplify it is equal 4z power 2 plus z power 4 minus 2z power 3 plus c. Problem number 7. Integration dx. Gx. No number in front of g. Is meaning here the number is 1. 1, we can write 1 alone. 1 dx meaning dx. So integration of 1 or integration dx is equal x plus c. Problem number 8. Integration of 2x power 3 dx. 2x power 3, 2 is the same. X power 3 is x power 4 over 4 plus c. Simplify x power 4 over 2 plus c. I say now we are use the rule very good now. Continuation our solved example. Integration x power half is the same radical x, square root of x, the power is half, increase 1 divided by the power new power, so half plus 1 is equal 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, make simplification equal to x power 3 over 2 over 3 plus c. Take care from number 10. Integration of x minus 1 over x dx. It's a fraction. We can't distribute the integration like that. But if I divide numerator over denominator, we can get x over x minus 1 over x. Distribute numerator over denominator. If numerator many terms and numerator one term, I can distribute denominator over denominator. So x minus 1 over x is equal x over x minus 1 over x. X over x is equal 1 minus 1 over x. Here, integration of 1 is x minus integration 1 over x is equal ln x. So it's equal x minus ln x plus c. Problem number 11. Integration 5 gx. 5 is a constant. Integration constant is the constant times x. So 5 times x plus c. Continue our examples. Example number 12. Integration x power 3 minus 3x power 2 over x power 2. Like the previous example, distribute numerator over denominator. So x power 3 over x power 2 minus 3x power 2 over x power 2. What's the result? X power 3 over x power 2 is equal x minus times minus, no, only one minus 3x power 2 over x power 2 is minus 3 gx. So integrate term by term. X is x power 2 over 2 plus 3. Integration 3 is 3x plus c. Problem number 13. 3e power 3x minus 3 over x dx. 3e power 3x integrate 3 is the same. E power 3x e power 3x over 3. So 3e power 3x over 3 minus 3 over x. We know that before integration 1 over x equal ln x. So 3 over x means 3 times 1 over x. So 3 is outside integration 1 over x equal ln x. Make simplification. So e power 3x minus 3 ln x plus c. Problem number 14. Integration x minus 1 to the power 2 over to the power 2 gx. The brackets here inside brackets is x power 1. So we can the brackets increase 1 power increase the power 1 divide by new power divided by the factor of x. So here no factor of x, x is alone, not any constant in front of x. And the power is here 2, so increase the power 1. So x minus 1 to the power 3 over 3 plus c. Last example, number 15. Integration cubic root x times x power 2 plus 5. We can factorize it. We can make open these brackets. So cubic root x means x power 1 over 3 times x squared plus 5. So x1 1 over 3 times x power 2 x times x power 3 times x power 2 add the power 2 plus 1 over 3 is equal 7 over 6. Okay. 7 over 3. No, 7 over 3. X power 3 times 5 is 5x power 1 over 3. Integrate x power 7 over 3 is equal x power 10 over 3 over 10 over 3 plus 5. Integration x power 1 over 3 is equal x power 4 over 3 over 4 over 3 plus c. Make simplification, we get these results. We have another examples also. Integration x plus 2 times x power 2 minus 3 dx. To integrate this, we times the two brackets together, we get integration x power 3 minus 3x plus 2x power 2 minus 6. Multiply x to all these brackets plus 2 to all these brackets, we get this result. What's the integration here? Integration is x power 4 over 4 minus 3x power 2 over 2 plus 2x power 2, 2x power 3 over 3 minus 6x plus c. We have two problems, make an exercise. First problem, if y is a function of f of x such that y dash equal 4x power 2 plus 7 and y over 3 equal 43. Find y. To get y, here is differentiation. So make integration for y dash, we get y. Integration of 4x power 2 plus 7 is 4x power 3 over 3 plus 7x plus c. Constant. But I want to, what's c? We can suppose by the condition here, y at x equals 3 is equal 43. So substitute y was 43 and x was 3, we have unknown c, we get c. So we get y. Y is equal 4x power 3 over 3 plus 7x plus the constant which I get. What's y of 4? Put x 4, we get y at 4. Another example of y double dash equal x power 3 plus 8x. Find y dash at and the condition y dash at of 6 equal 264, y at 2 equal negative 184. Find y. Here we can integrate two times. First time integrate y double dash, we get y dash and we have a constant by y dash of 6, we get this constant. After that integrate y dash which I get before, integrate again, so we get y, we have a constant, substitute by this constant, we get this constant. Substitute by y of 2 equal negative 184, we get the constant, so we get y. Is a very good example. We have to take care for that and solve it, and you can ask me in the lecture on Zoom. Thank you.